call. Ancient voice arise and fall. From the dust to the throne, the people now walk alone. Fire from Babylon. Fire burn. Fire pod. Roll. Early morning sun now shine. Concrete road. Every time Babylon chain round poor man mind. Them blind the youth. Steal the time. Hungry belly. Restless soul. System cold like iron pole. But me hear the drum beat strong. Say hold the faith, won't be long. Chant down the iron horizon. Beat the drum till the wall them fall. Chant down the iron horizon. Jah light a go conquer all. Chant down the iron horizon. Fire burn but truth stand tall. Chant down the iron horizon. Hear the lion roar. Hear the call. Mama cry but she still pray. Raise her youth in a righteous way. Them say light on radio wave, but your word stronger every day. Police siren, preacher mute, gold chain pan the wicked suit. But the youth them wake eyes wide open. Mental shackles start get broken. Chant down the iron horizon. Beat the drum till the wall them fall. Chant down the iron horizon. The light a go conquer all. Chant down the iron horizon. Fire burn but truth stand tall. Chant down the iron horizon. Hear the lion roar. Hear the call. Who them try to silence? The people. Who them can defeat? The people. What we chant? Fire upon Babylon. From Kingston Hill to African shore, same old struggle, same old war. But the root run deep in the earth, from ancient throne to modern birth. No gun can stop the chant we sing. No prison wall can cage the king. Righteousness we not forsake. Iron chain must surely break. Chant on the iron horizon till the sky turn gold and red. Chant on the iron horizon. Every tear just see them shed. Chant on the iron horizon. Prophecy we forward tread. Chant on the iron horizon. Ancient drum a lead the dread. See the sun rise through the steel grey sky. Babylon throne start crack and dry. With drum, with chant, with fire and song. The people march firm and strong. Chant it slow. Chant it low. Freedom sound rise from the crowd. Chant down. Chant down. Iron horizon. Chant down. Jaren forevermore. Hear the drum, hear the call. Ancient voice arise and fall. From the dust to the throne, the people now walk alone. concrete road. Every time Babylon chain round poor man mind, them blind the youth, steal the time. Hungry belly, restless soul, system cold like iron pole. But me hear the drum beat strong, say all the faith won't belong. Shine down the horizon, beat the drum till the wall them fall. Shine down the horizon, the light a go conquer all. Shine down the horizon, fire burn but truth stand tall. Shine down the horizon, hear the lion roar, hear the call. Mama cry, but she still pray. Raise a youth in a righteous way. Them sell life on radio wave, but your word stronger every day. Police siren, preach a mute, gold chain pon the wicked suit. But the youth them wake eyes wide open, mental shackles start get broken. Shine down the horizon, beat the drum till the wall them fall. Shine down the horizon, your light a go conquer all. Shine down the horizon, fire burn but truth stand tall. Shine down the horizon, hear the lion roar, hear the call. Who them try for silence? Who them can defeat? What we chant? Fire upon Babylon. From Kingston Hill to African shore, same old struggle, same old war. But the root run deep in the earth, from ancient throne to modern birth. No gun can stop the chant we sing, no prison wall can cage the king. Righteousness we not forsake, iron chain must surely break. Iron chain man carry break. Shine down the iron horizon, till the sky turn gold and red. Shine down the iron horizon, every tear just see them shed. Shine down the iron horizon, prophecy we forward tread. Shine down the iron horizon, ancient drama lead the dread. See the sunrise through the steel grey sky. Babylon throne start, crack and dry. With drum, with chant, with fire and song. Your people march, firm and strong.